Uncle Nudge here. I'm actually on my property and headed up to find a couple of poles because I'm going to make a stretcher to get that big petrified Jasper wood out. I've lined up a friend to help me, and so next step is make a stretcher. So I'm headed up here. I had a tree come down in a storm here, and there's a bunch of branches and stuff, and it looks like I don't see any great candidates from here. But I'm suspecting I'll be able to find something. They may crawl through there somewhere. And if not, I have another tree. Man, it's sure pretty. It's cold. It's can see, maybe you can see, still frosty here. Definitely iced up. And I got a little rock garden up here. Some different things I pulled out in the past. But I'm not even sure I can see it if I come up here. Okay. Yeah. I'd have to, it's pretty steep, crawl up from behind. There might be some good ones there. But anyway, that's the first step. And that's what I'm going to do is get my poles, and then I'll strip the bark off, make some nice handles that you could don't even need gloves. And because there'll be a lot of pressure on our hands. So, I'm gonna get on that.